My name is Damari Blackburn. I'm representing the class of 2024.
My name is Christopher Atkinson. I am representing the class of 2023.
Isaiah Rodriguez, class of 2022.
My name is Anthony Torres, and I'm representing the class of 2021.
My name is Nari, and I represent the class of 2024.
My name is Olivia. I'm representing class of 2023.
Hi, my name is Deslin. I'm representing the class of 2022.
My name is Deanna. I'm representing the class of 2021.
Representing the freshman, Susie Jacobs, who is not even a freshman. Representing the sophomores, Mia McCormick. Representing the juniors, we have Lily Young. Coming strong for the seniors, we have Jordan Wyrick. This is the 50-yard freestyle. Swimmers, take the mark.
So for the baseball competition, we're gonna do fungo golf, a little bit of mix of baseball and golf. So representing the freshmen, we have Jackson Witt. Representing sophomores, we have Lucas. Juniors, we have Simon Nottingham. And representing the seniors, we have Victor Rangel. Alrighty, so first hole, they're starting at home plate. The first hole is the right field pole. So kind of golf rules and baseball rules are going into this. So to tee off first, we have Jackson Witt.
Oh yeah! Great hit.
Okay, Lucas. Solid drive. Last but not least, we got Victor Rangel.
Hole in one. Oh man. I gotta redo? I gotta redo? You didn't hit it.
You have to hit it. That's your third. You want to keep it in the field.
I'm too strong, coach.
Good shot. Next one has to hit the pole. Nope. Okay, now. Go ahead, Simon. Okay. That counts. Good drive. Good drive. Put it out there.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
There we go, Vic. Oh, that's a good roll.
Hey, I'm next. Oh, that's a miss.
You gotta hit it.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Is that a miss? Would you count that? Would you count that? No, you didn't hit the ball.
There we go.
Okay.
All right, if you put it in, Simon, you win. Go ahead and put it in for the win. All right, so winner for the class competition are the juniors with Simon.
Freshman representative Jenna Ahmed, ready, set, go.
$34.89.
$34.89. All right, sophomore representative Jessica Martinez, ready, set, go.
$43.37.
$43.37. All right, junior class representative Jessica Methman, ready, set, go.
$36.2.
36:02. All right, senior class representative Madeline Estrada, ready, set, go.
$30.36.
30.36, that's the winner.
Our first prom queen candidate is Miss Neala Barnes. Neala is the daughter of Stephanie and Todd Barnes. She's attended Southeast for 4 years. While at Southeast, Neala has participated in varsity cheer all 4 years and taken various honors courses. After high school, Neala plans to attend college and major in dental hygiene to become an orthodontist. Neala's favorite memory at Southeast has been cheering at all of the sporting events and pep assemblies. Our first prom king candidate is Mr. Cameron Madden. Cameron is the son of Ann Courier and Jerry Madden. He's attended Southeast for 4 years. While at Southeast, Cameron has participated in baseball, band, jazz band, and been a guitar player for Gold Dust and musicals. After high school, Cameron plans to attend college for music production and pursue a professional music career. Cameron's favorite memory at Southeast has been all the liveliness of the home basketball games. Our second queen candidate is Miss Savannah Jarman. Savannah is the daughter of Brian and Sonia Jarman and Clinton and Yolanda Farrar. She has attended Southeast for all 4 years. While at Southeast, Savannah has participated in 2 honors classes, 4 AP courses, 3 years of debate and forensics, 2 years in BTV as an anchor, 2 years in Future Educators of America, and 1 year as the girls' tennis manager. After high school, Savannah plans to attend the University of Kansas as a film and media studies major. Savannah's favorite memory at Southeast has been having to wake up super early to make it to Saturday forensic tournaments. Our second king candidate is Mr. Roan Smith II. Roan is the son of Roan and Tierra Smith. He's attended Southeast all 4 years. While at Southeast, Roan has participated in several AP courses, Positive African American Students, Young Men with Futures, and played varsity basketball all 4 years. After high school, Roan plans to attend college and major in computer science and business. Roan's favorite memories at Southeast has been all the relationships and bonds he's created throughout his years of attending this amazing school. Our third queen candidate is Brenda Martinez. Brenda is the daughter of Azucena Martinez and Luis Martinez. She's attended Southeast for 4 years. While at Southeast, Brenda has participated in cheer, swimming, cross country, orchestra, band, and AVID. After high school, Brenda plans to attend Butler Community College and then transfer to Washburn University to major in law. Brenda's favorite memory at Southeast has been the basketball games before COVID. Our next king candidate is Mr. Pedro Lopez Jr. Pedro is the son of Jessica Nottingham and Pedro Lopez Sr. He's attended Southeast for 2 years. While at Southeast, Pedro has participated in football and madrigals. After high school, Pedro plans to join the Navy and continue his studies at K-State. Pedro's favorite memory at Southeast has been the locker rooms after a football game or in the stands during a basketball game. Our next queen candidate is Miss Ashley Marsh. Ashley is the daughter of Stephanie Marsh and Daniel Milo. She's attended Southeast for 4 years. While at Southeast, Ashley has participated in madrigals, concert choir, thespians, AP US History, and Tri-M. After high school, Ashley plans to attend Butler Community College and then transfer to Wichita State University for culinary arts. Ashley's favorite memory at Southeast has been working on Gold Dust music after working hard to get all ones in concert choir. Our final prom king candidate is Mr. William Singmani. William is the son of George and Annie Singmani. He's attended Southeast for 4 years. While at Southeast, William has participated in orchestra, jazz band, drawing and painting, culinary arts, business management, and several AP courses. William plans to attend Wichita State University and major in aerospace engineering and music. William's favorite memory at Southeast is his time spent with friends.